Hello everyone, welcome back grade 4. Our today's lesson is lesson 3.2. Let's open your book, page 151. Okay guys, let's start. Today we are gonna estimate products. Let's read our first problem here. On average, the Smith family opened the door of their refrigerator 32 times each day. There are 31 days in May. About how many times is the refrigerator's door opened in May? Okay, firstly, we have here this word, about. And as I said before in the previous lessons, if you see this word, so you have to estimate, okay? So let's estimate the product of 32 and 31. Okay, use rounding and mental math. Let's multiply 32, or let's estimate 31 multiplied by 32. Okay, let's round each factor here. 32, as we said before, 1 is a weak number, right? So doesn't do anything, just put it as 0 and put the 3 as the same. And 32, 2 is a weak number also, so doesn't do anything, so put the 2 as 0 and 3 as the same, like you see here. So it will be 30 multiplied by 30. And let's use mental math here. 3 multiplied by 3 equals 9, right? So 30 multiplied by 30 equals what? As we learned before in the previous lesson, you have to put the 2 zeros first, and 3 multiplied by 3 equals 9. So it will be 900. So we can say the Smith family opened the refrigerator door about 900 times during the month of May. Okay, let's see the next one. On average, a refrigerator door is opened 38 times each day. About how many fewer times in May is the Smith family's refrigerator door opened than the average refrigerator door? So we have about here, right? So you have to estimate again. And we have here 38 times each day in May, because May equals 31, right? 31 by 38. Now, let's round 31. It will be 30, right? And 38, it will be 40. So let's multiply them together. It will be 1,200. And let's see how many fewer. If you see how many fewer, so you have to subtract. Let's subtract 1,200 minus 900. It will be 300. So we can say about 300 fewer times. Okay guys, let's move to the next page. Now let's estimate 24 by 28. Let's use mental math and compatible numbers. Compatible numbers, what's the meaning of compatible numbers? Compatible numbers are numbers that are easy to compute mentally. 24 multiplied by 28. 24 is close to 25, okay? And 28 is close to 30. So let's convert it into 25 multiplied by 30. Then let's multiply it using mental math. 25 multiplied by 3, as we all know, equals 75. So 25 multiplied by 30, let's add 0. So it will be 750. So we can say here about 750 watts are used. Okay, let's move to the next one. Okay, let's estimate 26 multiplied by 79. Firstly, let's use the first way, rounding. 26 multiplied by 79. First of all, 6 and 9. 6 is strong number, right? So if we have 6, a strong number gives 1 to 2, it becomes 3, like you see here. So it will be 30. And 9 gives 1 because it's strong number, so gives 1 to 7, it becomes 8, like you see here. After that, let's multiply it. We have 2 zeros. As I said before in lesson 3.1, if you have 2 zeros, put it as the same. And 3 multiplied by 8 equals 24. So that's our answer. Okay, the next one, let's use compatible numbers. First of all, what is the compatible number is close to 26? It will be 25. And 79 is close to 80. So it will be 2000. So we can say 27 multiplied by 79 is about 2000. Okay, let's see These questions explain why 2,400 and 2,000 are both reasonable estimates. Both estimated products used numbers close to the original factors. Therefore, the estimates would be reasonable. Okay, in what situation might you choose to find an estimate rather than an exact answer? I might estimate to decide how many sandwiches to make for the school picnic. Okay, to estimate the product of 62 and 28 by rounding, how would you round the factors? What would the estimated product be? Let's round 62 to be 60 and 28 to be 30, and let's multiply 60 by 30 equals 1,800. Okay, let's move to the next page. Okay, first of all, we have here, let's estimate 96 multiplied by 34. Let's estimate the product here. So first of all, we have 6. 6 is strong number, so gives 1 to 9, so 9 becomes 10. And 6, put it as 0. Multiplied by 3 is a weak number, so it doesn't do anything. So put the 3 as the same and put 4 as 0. Write these steps with me. It's very important steps. Okay, as we learned before in the previous lesson, we have how many zeros here? We have 2 zeros here and 1 0 here. So put the 3 zeros as the same, and 1 multiplied by 3 equals 3. So that's our answer, like you see here. It's very simple, okay? We have here 47, let's round it. 7 is weak number or strong number? Of course, 7 is strong number. So gives 1 to 4, it becomes 5, and 7 becomes 0. Multiplied by, we have 39. 9 strong number or weak number? Of course, 9 is very strong number. So gives 1 to 3, it will be 4, and put the 9 as 0. Then we have how many zeros here? We have 2 zeros, right? Put it as the same, and 5 multiplied by 4 equals 20, right? So our answer is 2,000, like you see here. So if you want to estimate the product in our lesson today, you have to round both of the numbers and then get the product, okay? Okay, the next one. Firstly, we have here 8 gives 1 to 7, it becomes 8, and put the 0. Multiplied by 2 is strong number, weak number, of course it's a weak number, so doesn't do anything. Put the 7 as the same and put 2 as 0, and multiply, we have 2 zeros here, put it as the same, and 8 multiplied by 7 equals 56. So that's our answer, like you see here. Okay, number 5. Who can help me with number 5? Muhammad Ali Dijani. Okay, he gives us the estimated product and he asked us to get the two factors. Okay, so let's see how can we do that. Okay, let's see. Our estimated product is 2,800. Okay, let's see the last two digits here, 28. What multiplied by what gives us 28? Fahd, are you there?
7 multiply 4.
Excellent. Okay, let's write 7 and multiply by 4 like that. And
Yes.
then, so
Yes.
let's write a weak numbers. Let's write here 3 and let's write here 1. Okay, so if you want to round it here, it will be, this will be 70 and this will be 40, right? And let's
Right.
multiply it with the two zeros, and 7 multiplied by 4 equals 28. So that's our estimate, like you see here. Okay, so search for two numbers and then put a weak numbers. Okay, that's the way to
Okay.
get the two factors. Thank you very much, Rakan.
You're welcome.
Okay, the next one. Ahmed.
Hi.
Hi Ahmed, can you help me with number 3?
Yeah.
Okay, so we have here 8100, right?
Yes.
So let's take the last two digits. We have here 81, right? So
Yes.
can you help me finding two numbers multiplied by each other to give us 81?
9 multiplied by 9.
Excellent, you are great. Let's write it here. 9 multiply 9. But we have to multiply two-digit number by two-digit number, okay? So what we're going
Yeah.
to write here, choose any weak number.
2.
2. Okay, let's write 2 here.
4.
4. So we can say we want to multiply 92 multiplied by 94 to get us the estimated answer is 8100, because if we multiply it, we have here it will be 90 and this will be 90, it will be 8100. Thank you very much, my dear. Great job, Ahmed. You are super. Okay, the next one. Hassan Mugazil.
Yes, hi.
Hi, Hassan. How are you, my dear?
Fine, what about you?
I'm great. Okay, the next one. 5600. Can you tell me, we have here the last two digit is 56, right? So tell me what multiplied by what to give us 56.
Because 8 multiplies 7 equals 56, so it's 80 multiplies 70.
Excellent. So let's write it here. 8
80 plus
multiply
8, 7.
7. And let's choose a weak numbers and write it beside 7 and 8, okay? Like
80,
what?
83, 83 and 71.
Excellent. You are super. Thank you very much, Yasser. Great job, man. I'm so proud of you. Okay, the next one. Muhammad.
Okay, so
Hi,
here
Muhammad.
is 20. Hi, teacher.
So we
Here
have here
we want
83 and 80 and 71. If you want to round it to
yeah,
get the answer, let's round it. It will be 80 here and this will be 70, right? If we multiply it,
yeah,
we're going to find our answer. Okay, the next
that's
one, Muhammad.
right. Okay, so here is 2004
2,400. And the last two digits is
is
24.
4.
Yes,
We want to know what is the number that can make 24.
yes. So it will be 3 by 8, right? And then we have here to put like 3 and let's put here 2 and 4. So if we want to round it, it will be 30 multiplied by 80. It will be two zeros here, and 3 multiplied by 8 equals 24. So that's our answer. Okay, guys, that's our lesson for today. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow, inshallah. Bye.